This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Catherine Winters. You'll love this floor plan with a central living area, split bedrooms and a separate den providing space for a home office. A foyer provides your first glimpse the details, vaulted ceilings, skylights and picture windows keeping the interior light and bright. The corner kitchen has stainless appliances and a filtered water system. The dining area is perfectly placed with a view of the backyard palm hedge. The enclosed/screened porch opens on all sides for additional interior room and outdoor patio access. The primary bedroom suite is generously sized with 2 walk-in closets and a separate shower, Roman tub, linen closet and double vanity. Accordion shutters for all openings. Laundry area inside the 2-car garage. Partially furnished too. The Villas HOA is separate from the townhomes with maintenance including the lawns and pressure washing your roof and home exterior periodically, pool and tennis courts. There is a residence gate access at US 1. For more information, review the details below or contact Catherine Winters at 772-692-8839.